Our research project is the CS3LD project. It's the comprehensive support for STEM students with learning disabilities. So STEM students are students who are majoring in science, technology, engineering, and math. This research was developed because there are really so many students in the United States who have learning disabilities. There are about 2.8 million school-aged children with learning disabilities, and more of them are attending college each year. So students with learning disabilities can have a range of diagnoses. They can include dyslexia, which is a reading disorder, dyscalculia, which is a difficulty in math processing. It also includes things like auditory processing disorder, and very often children with learning disabilities will also have an attention disorder. So our research team is a multidisciplinary team. We are represented by rehabilitation researchers from occupational therapy, a health education researcher, an engineering researcher, and a food science and human nutrition researcher. So our model is a multi-level model of support. These multi-level supports support the student in both their academics and their health and well-being. We're working with the undergraduates to understand their learning disability, but we're also working with graduate students and faculty on campus to build a network of people on campus who understand learning disability. In learning to talk about their learning disabilities and highlight the strengths that are associated with them, our undergraduates are working with their graduate student mentors in developing materials that can be used on campus as part of an awareness campaign about the learning disabilities. Our students have created a range of materials that include videos that can serve as public service announcements, 3-part informational flyers about learning disabilities and where to go for help, as well as 2-dimensional artworks about their experiences and reaction papers that actually read like short stories to teach about learning disability for young children. So in the future, once we have this model of support nicely refined and we've documented all the steps in creating this model, I'd like to see this model applied to other disability groups, students with other types of disabilities, as well as applied on other campuses.